Okay, got lots of feedback that this is a crazy good pair. And you know what? You guys are right. I'm blown away by the Burgundy Crush. It's been a while already that I was wowed during unboxing, and honestly, this pair really live up to the hype. And I'm telling you guys, I'm really happy that the Burgundy Crush are easy cop, because design material wise, this release is really killing it. Apart from the sneaker, you will get extra laces as well, which is pretty normal with SBs. I will be doing lace swap on this video, but I just want to say this is a really gorgeous sneakers and really deserves a place on my SB collection. I really mean it. I think it's the swoosh, man. They really killed it by design. I really like the glossy part that serves as a highlighter. But before doing the lace swap, as I mentioned, let's check first my impressions on the sneakers. If you held this pair on your hand, there are three things that will cut your eye immediately. First, the glossy swoosh that I mentioned earlier. It's gorgeous. Second, the overlay textured leather. They are soft, a little bit hairy, but with vintage patterns that resembles aged tumbled leather. Third, the textured satin linings that extends to the tongue as well. Almost feels like a nubuck suede and really feels so nice when touched. But overall, very impressive color blocking design that pays homage to the city of love. Shoe is also made in Vietnam. That's nice, but still there are some tiny quality control issues as usual, like uneven cuts of the leather, especially on the toe box area. Glue stains still apparent, but nothing we can do about it. And actually this release really reminds me of the Mystic Red, because somehow they're sharing the same colorway on the midsole and outsole, that is burgundy. And if you are not a fan of this colorway, there's a good news, because this is actually a part of the 2-pack collection, and the other colorway is called Coconut Milk. Quick overview on the Coconut Milk colorway. Its uppers are made of silky satin and the overlays are suede leather. This model has the same specific details that you can find on the Burgundy Crush that pay homage to the city of love, Paris. So this red thread that you're seeing on the tongue logo actually symbolizes destiny and connection. It is the same red thread details can be found printed also on the insoles wrapping around pinky finger. However, I tried rocking the default laces with my black corduroy pants, and I really like the bread look result that I'm getting. Let us be honest here, if this was released 2 years ago, instant sellout, I would promise you. I mean, this kind of design and the details that you got, even if this is not a collab sneakers, I would say 90% that this would be an instant cop. But let me remind you guys as well that EU market is completely different to US. Here, the SB demand, I would safely say that it's a little bit lower versus the USA. Now, for the first swap, I know you guys will react on this swap that I did, but I'm digging it. Although this is not your conventional SB laces, I'm still happy with the results, and for me that's the most important thing. This flat lace that I'm using are red in color, but with vintage texture on it. Despite SBs having fat, round laces most of the time, sometimes it is nice also to think differently, and in addition, there are already Nike SBs also with flat laces like the Adobe or 90s backpack. Normally, if I put flat laces on my SBs, I'm wearing them with jeans as it gives me Nike Dunk Low vibe, and I think they fit my blue denim jeans pretty well. But here's my favorite way of rocking this: a camo relaxed cargos and a flannel shirt, and I'm good. violent reaction on the flat laces. I know, please let me know on the comment sections, guys. But actually I still have a lace swap to do, and I was not really expecting that this would work. I'm just glad that I've tried it, and it turned out this is my favorite lace swap. I also tried putting my generic rope laces, but I'm not really feeling it though. The contrast on the tongue between laces are off. Also tried cream laces. I think it's okay, but I'm not really 100% convinced. But let me know your thoughts on them laces. And for the last swap, this time I'm using cool gray fat round SB laces from my gray fogs. And look at that, the gray blends perfectly on the shoe uppers. Actually, this combo makes the Burgundy Crush somehow moody and masculine, paired with another gray cargos to have a bit of monochrome look. I don't know if this is just me, or do you experience that this is a little bit, really little bit smaller versus the GRs or other SBs. I'm thinking it's the materials, because they are too thick, that makes it really, just like I said, tiny bit smaller. But still, I'm going true to size on this because I want my SBs to be snug, and so that I can make the laces loose and not really tight. But if you are a big footed guy, I would suggest to go a half size up, especially on this release. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and as always, we'll see you next time. Peace.